your head. C is for cat, it goes meow, meow, meow. D is for duck, can you quack like it now? E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, it swims all along. G is for guitar, let's strum and play. H is for hat, wear it every day. A, B, C, D, sing with me. E, F, G, let's clap and freeze. H, I, J, K, jump up high. L, N, N, now touch the sky.
Is for ice cream, yummy and sweet. J is for jelly, a wobbly treat. K is for kite, flying up so high. L is for lion, hear it roar in the sky. M is for monkey, swinging in the tree. N is for nest, where the birds like to be. O is for octopus, swimming in the sea. P is for parrot, saying hello to me.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. E, F, G, let's clap and freeze. H, I, J, K, jump up high. L, M, N, now touch the sky.
Q is for queen, with the golden crown. R is for rain, falling down, down, down. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for tiger with black and orange stripes. U is for umbrella when it starts to pour. V is for violin, let's play some more. On the U is for whale, so big and blue. X is for xylophone, let's play a tune.
M, N, O, P, dance with glee. U, R, S, spin around with me. T, U, V, now take a bow. W, X, we're learning now.
Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, with stripes all around. Now we know our ABCs. Sing it again, it's fun, you'll see.
A, B, C, D, sing with me.